Welcome once again, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change a specific color in an image using hue and saturation. You can take a look. This is an image from our exercise file, and a beautiful lady, she stands on the grass and she wear a red dress and she have a green background, and we are going to change the dress color of her, and we are not going to change the background color. So how you will do that? You can do that easily using hue and saturation. So let me show you the output or example. Magic! You can take a look. The color of our dress turned into blue from red, and we have the same green background as like before. So this is the process, and let's take a look how it will change any specific color in an image using hue and saturation. Okay, right now we have to open the exercise file, and therefore we just have to click the file menu, open option, and inside the color adjustment folder you will get change one color image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, you can take a look. A beautiful lady, she's wearing a red dress and she stands on grass and she have a beautiful green background. Right now we want to change only the dress color of this beautiful lady, and we don't want to change the background color. We will only change the red color and we will make it blue. So how you will do that? You are thinking that you just have to change the parameter of hue, then the color of this red dress will be changed. So let's take a look. Here is the adjustments panel. Here is the hue and saturation. Okay, so our main motive is we will keep the green background like this, but we will not change the green background. We will only change the red color. So if you move the hue in left, or if you put minus 120 point for hue, then what will be happen? Let's move the pointer and let's place for minus 120. You can take a look. We have the minus 120, and you can take a look. We got the blue color in her dress, but the background is changed. But we don't want to change the background. We want to keep the background green. We want to keep the grass green. We want to keep the trees green, and we want to only change the dress color. But if you change the pointer of hue, the entire image are changing. But we don't want to do that. We want to change only the dress color, and the rest of the things we want to keep like before. So how you will do that? Let me show you. So let's change the image and let's make it as like before. So we have to change the hue and we have to make the value 0. So let's move the pointer and let's make it 0. We have the 0 point for hue, and here is the actual image. So we don't want to change the entire color of this image. We only want to change the red dress color, and we want to keep the background and grass green. So how you will do that? You can do that easily. So to change the red dress color, we want to make it blue, and therefore you have to click on this master option. Here is the master option, and from there you have to select the reds option. You will get yellows, greens, cyans, blues, and magentas. But we will change the reds color. So here is the reds option, and as she wear a red dress, therefore we have to select the red color. And if you move the hue pointer right now, then only the red dress color will be changed. So let's take a look. Let's make it pink first. Okay, cool. We have the pink dress, we have the purple dress, and we have the blue dress. And you can take a look, the entire background are still same as like before, and now we only changed the dress color. So this is how you will change any specific color in an image using hue and saturation option in Adobe Photoshop. And if you want to change the intensity, then you just have to change the saturation. If you want to decrease the intensity, then you have to move in left, and here is the output of a saturation. You can take a look, we have the less intensity, and if you want to increase, then you have to move in right. You have to move for plus option. Right now we have plus 21, and we have the high intensity for her blue color. So this is how you will change any specific color using hue and saturation in Adobe Photoshop. So see you in next lesson.